Today I want to compare cheap versus expensive with denim jackets. We got a dark blue St. Laurent denim jacket, which is on the website currently for $1,100. And I ordered a Forever 21 jacket. That's the cheapest company I can think of for $29.99, $30. And we're going to see which one is the winner. And I also have the lovely Laurent Raindrops helping me today with my review and my try-on. If you don't know, you should know. She's on Instagram at
Laurent Raindrops.
Laurent Raindrops, there you have it. Cool. All right. So, let's jump right in. Okay, Forever, which one first?
I think Forever 21.
I wanted to jump the gun. Yeah, I was thinking that one too, because
Yeah.
it's, obviously the cheaper of the two. So, we'll save the best for last. I think it'll be the best.
It should be the best.
It most certainly should be the best. Okay, so this denim jacket, I usually wear my cuffs undone, so we'll leave it like that for now. But this denim jacket I got in a small, and it actually fits pretty well. It's a little bigger than I would like, just a little. The cuffs, when I stand straight, I like my cuffs to come right to my wrist, maybe even a little bit higher. The arms are, they're a little long, but dude, in the grand scheme of things for denim jackets, this sleeve length is good. It could be way worse. I can button it up, and I don't have a lot of room. So all in all, this jacket, I'm actually super impressed with this for $30, because it is decently thick. It's 100% cotton. It's comfortable. It actually fits me. So and it has a good denim weave. I can see the thread weave on here. It actually has a decent thread weave. So I'm really pleased with this.
I am too for the price.
Yeah.
The only thing I don't love so much is the wash, but
right.
What can you do? That's
a good point. The wash sucks. It's like a medium blue, kind of generic looking wash. But for $30, something is bound to suck on it. It's the wash. But other than that, we're good. Popping the collar.
I'm impressed by the sleeve length.
Yeah, sleeve length. I know, right? The sleeve length is good. Very good. We're going to button the cuffs here to make sure that that's on point. I like small cuffs. I don't like big cuffs. And these are actually very small, right to my wrist. This one's a little too tight, actually. But I always try to pop the collar because a lot of times I wear the collar popped like this. This one looks pretty good too as far as the collar. So I am super impressed with this. For $30, I would totally recommend this.
Yeah, I would too.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Quality-wise, the wash is a no-go, but depending on what you wear with it, you could probably make it work. But cool. All right, Saint Laurent coming up.
Yeah. Here
So
we go.
let's see. This one's still got the tag on. The Forever 21 just came today. There's no tag on it, but I just took it out of the package.
It was actually under your armpit, the tag at the back.
Oh, was it? Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
So I didn't see it. So the St. Laurent one, as I expected, and this is why I wanted to try St. Laurent, because the jackets have a nice short length. I like it to come to my waistband, no longer than my waistband. The sleeve length comes right to my wrist. And the fit, I would say, on this is perfect. I can button
I
it.
would agree with you.
Yes, thank you. Because it's hard to get, because denim jackets, it's like, if you get it to where you can button it to where it's semi-comfortable, it's going to be too long in the body, too long in the sleeves, and then by the time I go to a small, I can no longer button it, but then the length is right. So with St. Laurent, it's like you get the best of both worlds. It's a good length, cropped, and you can button it comfortably.
And you can put your hands in your pockets without touching the hemline.
Exactly. So that's like one of the most important things to both of us, is one of the tests we do with jackets, denim and leather, is we say, does it pocket? That means if you're wearing the jacket and you can easily put your hands in your pockets of some trousers, for example, and not touch the length of the jacket, not have it bunch up on you, then it pockets. So, because I hate when jackets are too long and, The only bad thing about this one is the collar is so big that when I pop the collar, it looks stupid. I can come a little bit
Yeah, it
closer.
gives you a little vampire cape effect.
Yeah, it gives me like a vampire slash Elvis effect. And vampires and Elvis are the only two people that should be wearing a Pops collar. So
You could be the third.
I could be the third if this collar wasn't so big. So that's disappointing. It's got a big collar. I don't know why they do that. It's like just thick.
Seems to be a trend lately.
So this obviously is 100% cotton. So this is a great jacket. The fit is perfect. The comfort is perfect. Collar's a little too big, and the wash is good. Like, don't get me wrong, it's good, but it doesn't blow me away.
Yeah.
Right.
Same here. Yeah.
Yeah. So if you have money to burn or a money tree in the backyard, then this is the winner, clearly, and I would recommend this jacket. So this Forever 21, dude, if you're looking for a cheap jacket, I mean, this works. Like, I could wear this, don't get me wrong, but this wash is just unacceptable. If this wash was better, I'd probably keep this one just to wear as a scrub jacket, like if it's raining or, you know, I'm going somewhere and, you know, I'm not worried about somebody spilling a drink on it or something, I just wear it. But this is going to be set back. So Saint Laurent is the winner, but Forever 21 for $30, I'm impressed.
Yeah, and if they get the Forever 21, like size down, because you're a standard medium, but that's a small, so.
Oh yeah, that's a good point. Yeah, the Saint Laurent's a medium, and then the Forever 21 is a size small, so you definitely got to size down in Forever 21 at least.
Yeah,
So,
and you're
for sure.
6 foot too, so it definitely runs
Yeah,
big.
yeah, I'm 6 foot, almost 170 pounds, so that Forever 21 definitely runs big, I would say. So, cool. All right, let's do another video sometime.
Yeah, we should. It's fun.
Okay, cool. And then I'm gonna cut. We probably should have cut the. If I really mean that I'm keeping this, we should probably cut the tag off on camera. But I'm gonna save that because it's just gonna give me. It's gonna give me pressure in my chest, and I don't want to cut the tag off yet. We'll do it another time. Thanks for watching. I hope it was entertaining at the least. So I'll catch you guys later.
Bye.